So my name's Cram. I'm from Melbourne, Australia. I've got a background in architecture and design. I started oil painting last year and fell in love with it, and just have had an insatiable appetite to learn more. I love Denis's work, so that really attracted me to the course, and also the fact that it's in Rome. So yeah, it's been an incredible 2 weeks kind of exploring the city, learning new skills and meeting some amazing people. The surprising thing has been the people. I think the energy that everyone has brought to the course, the energy that the people organising the courses, the teachers, there's attention to detail in absolutely everything. You know, you're immersed in Rome in a way that makes you kind of join the dots about this art in terms of history, the contemporary world, our place in it. You know, all these artists are coming with different kind of stories and perspectives, and we're all kind of having these conversations about what art means to us, how we can progress, what kind of stories we can tell, and that's been really inspiring. I think the people have kind of gotten me excited to learn, excited to paint, and excited to explore. The program was incredible. It was so thought out. We were taken care of from the moment we arrived. The dedication of the staff has been above and beyond. It's been, you know, it's not just a class. It's been people giving themselves, making themselves vulnerable, sharing their stories, sharing their path in art, in life, the food they like to eat, where they've come from. Everything's been really thought through. The tours that we've done, I think we've seen so much. It's been busy, but it's been incredible. It kind of feels like 2 weeks and a lifetime and an instant, all in one. The knowledge of the teachers and the administration staff has been above and beyond. I think, you know, they can answer any question you throw at them, and pose 20 more. And I think that's really important in an artistic setting, because, you know, you want answers, but you also want questions, and you want to kind of come away with, you know, an inspiration and a thirst for knowledge, and for creating and for discovery, and yeah, that's been incredible.
Will you do something different with your art?
Yeah, I'm so excited to go away from here and keep creating. I think I'm kind of new to painting, and yeah, I don't know, the environment's been so supportive that I haven't felt out of my depth. I feel humbled to be around such talent, but I feel like there's skills that you can build, there's skills that you can learn, and you know, you find your own way, you find what you like to paint, how you like to paint, and you practice, and yeah.